Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good and I am also good friends. So friends, in this video I will tell you how do I practice every day. Stay with me till the end. I hope this video would be helpful to all beginner, all new learner. So without delay, let's start friends. As you know friends, I am a beginner like you. In my initial day, I used to practice 10 to 20 minutes every day. Firstly, you should find this type of alone place and you have to practice yourself. Okay, because practice is everything. No matter friends how much grammar rule you know, how much vocab you know, if you are able to speak, so that's okay. But you are unable to speak, so you have to speak more and more, because without speaking you can't learn any language. So at least you should practice every day 10 to 20 minutes, because nowadays everyone wants to learn English, but they don't want to practice. So it's not possible. This type of people never learn English. So friends, if you want to improve your English, if you want to learn English, so you should practice daily at least 10 to 20 minutes. I know friends, you have no partner to practice, it's okay. It doesn't matter if you have no partner. You have to talk with yourself, like and in your initial day, you have to start by using present simple tense, like I wake up, I go to school, I go to office, I go to market. It's up to you. In your initial day, you have to use only simple and short sentences, not critical. Okay, I know. I hope whatever I said you would be getting. So I mean to say that you have to practice more and more until you speak. You will not learn English. If you want to learn English, so you have to practice more and more. Without practicing, you can't learn English. Friends, whenever I get free time, I start practicing to speak English. Being a mother, being a housewife, I have no time to learn this language, but I want to learn this language, because I like to speak English. I like to learn this language. That's why I'm learning learning this language. So and I want to improve myself. That's why I'm learning this language. So in my initial day, I used to think, I wish I could speak English, but I never try to speak. That's why I couldn't speak English. But now I am able to speak in English, because I practice every day. I practice more and more. So friends, if you really want to improve your English, so you should practice more and more, because without practicing you can't learn English. If you have to learn English language, so you have to speak from your mouth, because until you speak you will not learn English. The more you speak, the more you learn. It's simple. And no matter how much grammar rule you know, how much vocab you know, matter is that you are able to speak or not. If you are able to speak, so that's okay. You have to uh, improve yourself.